Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to explain to you the twin digits and how it works and what it's all about and how you can trade it as a trader beginner who is new to Openbinary. Openbinary is a binary broker that also trades binary. You can deposit your amount here and trade binary, and at the end of the day do your withdrawals, and you will have made profits and have walked out of the market with profits. Okay, so I'm gonna go real quick and show you guys how this twin digit works. Okay, so here I have it on the candle. The chart is on the candlestick, but you can also change it by clicking on the three dots on your left. Okay, and change it to lines or candles, whichever way you want. But for these twin digits, the candles or the line doesn't matter much. What matters is the price right here and these digits right here. So what happens in twin digits is that we see or predict if there is going to be a repeat in the resolving digits. So the resolving digits are is 9. Okay, can be 9, can be 2, can be 6, but most probably we will be focusing on the 9, 2 and 6 because these are the first coming digits. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna wait and see if there is a repetition in any of the digits, and if there is a repetition in any of the digits, we are going to click yes. So what happens is we have two languages when it comes to twin digits, where we have the twin and we have unique. So for instance, if right now we have a twin because we have two digits repeating, and now we have unique because the digits are all unique, like 9, 2, 6, 7. These are unique codes or unique digits. But when we have two digits repeating themselves, that will be twin digits. And if that twin digits, you see twin right here, so that means if we get twin digits and we had placed our trade by saying yes, that you're going to have twin digits or digits repeating themselves, we are going to be in the capacity of making a profit. Okay, and if we are predicting that we are going to have unique digits, we can predict by clicking on the no, where we'll be expecting to have all the unique digits. Okay, so mostly what I trade is I always wait for digits to for two digits for twin digits. If there is two digits that have repeated themselves, I always enter a trade, because when you look with at this kind of strategy, you realize that when the price is at a price range, there are some digits that within that price range, price will keep touching again and again. Okay, so let's say price is within 9,253 right now. So you'll find that sometimes price will come back. Here we have 9, but you can find that here we have 8 and here we have 9. Okay, or you can find that here we have 9 and here we have 8. So you'll find there are repeated digits either way, like right now you have seen on the screen. That is a very good example. So the strategy that I always use again is, apart from that, when I am now taking my trades, I always make sure I use the martingale strategy alongside what I already have. So what I was telling you of the twin digits, and if the digits are repeating themselves, that is when to enter a trade. And now how to trade with that strategy. The way to trade with that strategy is very simple. I always implement the martingale strategy, where if I am trading with a stake of $2, right now I have around $10 in my account, and the best trade that I can start, the best stake that I can start with, in case I'm going to use martingale, is $1. Okay, so if I trade with $1, I from whatever I have right here, is that I am going to get another dollar, okay, if I happen to be on the right side of the market. Okay guys, so if I happened to lose this trade where I have entered with the $1, I will increase my stake and go to $2. If I have lost the trade for $2, I will increase my stake and go to $4. But this kind of strategy is also very dangerous if you have a small account, because what if you lose the $4? That means you will have to go to 8. And what if you lose the 8? That means you will have been remaining with $2, and trading $2 can be sometimes tricky. So what you have to do is that in as much as you are using the martingale strategy, you have to be very careful. So for my case in this trade, I'm going to use the martingale strategy. I'm going to start with a stake of 1. Okay, let me write for you guys so that you can see. I'm going to start with a stake of 1. If I lose, I'm going to increase my stake to $2, and if I lose again, I'm going to increase my stake to $4. Okay, and this will be my latest and the toppest stake that I'm going to use in this trade. So that is just to make sure that I don't blow my account, and even if I go up to $4, I will still be able to trade, because the first thing that you need to do is to protect your capital. Okay guys, so in this video I was just explaining to you how the strategy works, but I can show you by taking 1 or 2 trades and hoping that you are gonna make some good money out of it without being liquidated. So I'm going to take a few trades and show you how the strategy works, and how you can also apply the martingale strategy. If need be, we apply the martingale strategy. Now I'm just going to wait for these digits to appear, 2 of them the way they are, and then I'm going to enter a trade. So from this point, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss such good educational videos on how to trade binary on Open Binary. Okay, so this is the easiest way to trade binary, and using this broker, I think guys, you can be in the position to be profitable. Now I saw two repeated digits, and now we are up and we have repeated digits there, and yep, and that was a win of 0.8 USD, and we're now up 11 USD. So I'm going to wait again for repeated digits. There we have it. Okay, and that was a loss right there. So if a loss happens to come our way, I'm going to increase my stake to $2. Okay, so I'm going to wait for another opportunity. Okay, and that was a win. You see, that was a good win right there. So if the win happens to have come that way, I'm not going to go back. I'm just going to maintain this stake right now. I'm going to maintain this stake of $2 and until I lose, and then I'm going to increase my stake. But I pray that we don't lose, and I hope that we don't lose again. Okay, so let's wait for another opportunity, and enter the market. And yep, that was a good one, and we are up 13.2 USD. So I'm going to take the last run, because I was not prepared to enter the market right now. I was prepared to trade later in the night, but I was just doing this video to show you guys how it can be. And now you see we have a loss right there. Now if this happens, I was talking about going to $4. Now I'm going to $4, and I'm going to be risking $4, and I said that if I lose the $4, I'm not going to use the martingale strategy on $4. I'm just going to maintain it there until we get our profit. And yep, that was a profit of 4.8 USD. And so with that, guys, that is how you trade on the twin digits. That is the simple strategy that you can use on Openbinary to trade on the twin digits. If you want to try it out, I have attached the link in the description. You can also join my Telegram community. I have attached the link in the description. This will help you to garner strategies that I'm showing you right here each and every day, because there are other trade types that are also tradable. And if you need these strategies, you make sure that you join my Telegram community so that when I post, you don't miss. So guys, see you on the next video and have a blessed day and night.